Alright guys, welcome to another YouTube video. Today we're looking at a Hampton Bay that looks like a Halsey, but it's actually a Hampton Bay. I believe 38 inch, 36, 38, 40. I don't think it's 42 inch. It's a bit smaller than 42. I think it's 38 inch. Ceiling fan, down rod mounted. How do I know? Is because we got this nice Hampton Bay logo that you already know. This is 80's and maybe 90's. This is when they used to do the logo like that, which you would think would be the opposite today because they would be cheap and put a sticker instead of a 3D logo that you see today with the Hampton Bay fans. So it's just kind of interesting how it just went backwards with that. As you can see, it has a 3 light kit. I call these a gooseneck light kit because it looks like a goose, right? Goose's neck. Like I say, 3-speed reversible. And it's unfortunately this is on a dimmer switch or a fan control switch, and it still buzzes anyway. So I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate it for you. First, let's turn on the light. As you can see, I can dim it. This is a fan control switch. It acts like a dimmer though. So yeah, let's see the pull chain. Yep, the pull chain of the light kit works. Basic on-off function. Alright, let's start the fan on high. Yes, it still has incandescent bulbs. It's got a bearing noise. I can hear it. So yeah, this fan's original to the house. It's definitely original. It's not been never changed. It was definitely used a lot, so it's not like it was never used or hardly used. It's really used. And I don't know if this is the original light kit because of this gap right there. I'm not sure that's original. Alright, here's the medium. You can hear the humming now. Wow. You hear the humming. It's on a dimmer. Let me dim it. Let's see. Oh yeah. I can hear that humming. This is on medium, by the way. Anyway, gotta leave it like that. I think it doesn't spin very fast because of the bearing problem. It has a slight wobble. And here's low. Still hums. That's pretty bad. Wow. Yeah, it's this dimmer's messing it up. Let me see what happens if I turn off the light. It doesn't do much. I gotta change the switch. You gotta change it to a switch. That's low. Unfortunately, it doesn't run the speed. I mean, the dimmer is all the way up. See? So. Alright. And off. You can see it's the spin down time is no time. Yeah, you could see. I literally thought this was a Halsey, but it's Hampton Bay. Alright. Now let's turn the light off and running on high with no light. Here's high. So it's running slow because of the dimmer. The capacitor might be going bad. I'm not sure. It's hard to tell when you have it on the dimmer. But I would think the capacitor is also going bad. It blows good air though. Probably blows better than a Littleton. Maybe. Alright, medium. Yeah, I don't remember it running this slow, but it's better to run it on high with this dimmer. That spinner motor is pretty small. I mean, just look how small that is. It's so small. Apparently they made a good ceiling fan with a small motor. Crazy. Comment down below if you know what company made this motor. It could be SMC, I don't know. Alright, here's low. It's really bad. I mean, this is like Casablanca low. I mean, I bet if I ran this like that for a long time, it would literally stop. Wow. That's pretty bad. Let me see what happens if I turn a dimmer down. That's pretty bad. Wow. Still spinning. It's all the way down. It's all the way down. See? Anyway, let's put it back on high speed and see. It's the pull chain. Here's high. Oh yeah. This would technically be medium if it was actually working properly. Something like that. Let's try low. This would be a low speed, proper low speed for this fan. Something like that. Comment what you guys think, but yeah. That's the light one. Looks funny. Quiet it down a little bit. Alright. Alright, that's it. Guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. I know this is a long video, but I had to do it with this fan. So once it stops spinning, I'll turn off the video. Old school canopy. Alright. Bye bye, guys.